In this tutorial, we're going to customize Synor, a website template for SaaS and AI businesses. Let's start by renaming the project. Next, we're going to change the colors of the template. Here are the two main colors. Click on them to customize. You can choose any color you like. Also, don't forget to rename them. As you can see, the colors of the template have changed, but there are still some changes needed. Let's continue by opening the navbar. You can double click on it to open. Select the logo component and click on Edit Component. Make sure the icon container is selected. Click on Fill Image on the right side. Now you can choose an image or file of your logo. Great, let's move on to the button. The shadow still has a different color since there's no color token set. Open the component and select the base variant. Now go to Shadows and change its color. Make sure to do the same on the hover variant. Maybe choose a slightly different color to make the hover state more clear. Looks pretty good. Let's finish configuring the button by setting its link and text. Head back to the home page. Much better, but there are still some issues left. Go to the main button and change its link, maybe text, and of course the shadows. Great, what's left is the typing component's color. Select the component and reset its colors. You can also change the words. The hero section is pretty much done. What's left to change are the dashboard images. and the other images below. But our new colors are already giving the template a pretty fresh look. Let's start with the features section. The cards are very easy to customize. You can select and add an image from your files. If you want to leave the placeholder images for now, we can also color them. After opening the card component, select the image container. Click on Styles, go to Filters, and click on Hue. Now you can use the Hue bar to give the image a color filter that should fit your other colors. In my case, around 190 degrees is perfect for a blue tone. All the other cards will be updated automatically anytime. Even if you replace the images, the filter will still remain. The next section could also need some help with the hue filter. Select the graphic container. You will see 4 background containers. Mass select them by holding Shift or Command and apply the hue filter the same way we did on the card component. If you want to change the statistics or values of these benefit cards, you can scroll to the left side and customize them each one by one. The foundation section also works the same regarding the background image color. Let's work on the pricing section next. Double-click one of the pricing cards. We need to apply our new color to the shadows of the icon box and the pricing button. Next, we should customize the footer background. Double-click and select the God Rays component on the sidebar. Reset its colors as well. Also, you can delete the template CTA button. Don't forget to update the button links. Let's update the pricing section copy. By selecting and opening the pricing card component, you can customize the cards how you like. The testimonial cards can each be customized on the left side. The section will update automatically. The feature cards are also very easy to customize. The logos can also be customized on the left side. Just replace the images and the section will update automatically as well. The dashboard assets are also just images that can all be easily replaced. We're pretty much done with the home page. Let's check out the different devices though. It's important to make sure that there are no visual problems on the other devices, especially on mobile. Let's say a text container looks a bit off. You can just select its holding container and configure the max width to make it look right again. The last thing to change is the FAQ section. Open the component to get started. Here you will only work with the base variant. Select a field and change its text with ease on the right side. There are many other variants, each with one field open. You shouldn't make any changes to these other variants as it might break the whole component. Same warning is mentioned on the left side of the base variant as well. You can always change any headline or text with ease. Let's take a look at the other pages of this template. The pricing cards will always look exactly the same on any page. Only the headline of the section and other existing copy is individual to each page. To customize the comparison table, open the component. Here you can just rewrite each text block and add or delete features. The checks or crosses can be replaced by copy and pasting them into the lines. Select the icon container and press Ctrl+C. Then paste it into the respective row. Order it correctly with the arrows on your keyboard and delete the other icon. That's all you need to know about the pricing page. Let's move on to the blog page. Click on CMS on the top bar of the project. Here you can see all the placeholder articles for the blog. Let's delete them. Now click on New Item to create a new blog article. Start by setting a nice thumbnail for the article. Next, give it a title. Set the right date. In the content field, you paste in or write your whole article content. You can set headlines, bullet points, and more. This is the heart of the article. You can even name an author and what role he plays in or off the company. Below is the slug, which is the address of the article. You should avoid making changes to it. When you're done, hit save and view the article. Let's move on to the changelog page. You will see the updates listed in the changelog container. Let's delete them to add a real update. Everything is very easy to change by just clicking and rewriting. To add more, just duplicate the container we just edited. The next page is the press page for media coverage. Here you can list articles that cover your brand. Delete and order them how you like. Add the media covering your brand, the title of the article, and the link to it. If you need to, you can change the alignment or configure the max width of the containers. Let's move over to the contact page. Let's change the contact data, such as mail and phone number. Make sure to have the same mail set in the link as well. Do the same thing with the phone number. We should also set the right button shadows on this page. The input fields seem to also need a quick shadow update. Select the input container for each field. Click on Effect at the Focus option under Styles. Here you can set the right color. Each input container has a placeholder text inside. Make sure to edit these to fit your brand. The last step is to connect the form to be able to receive its submissions. Click Send To and choose an option that fits you the most. Let's move on to the legal pages. There are 3 placeholder legal pages. Edit or remove them to your needs. The text is free to edit how you want, add or remove lines. The right way would be to paste in the text created by an attorney. The last page is the 404 page. This one should not need any edits unless it looks wrong. Great, we have made some big changes to the template, making it look like a new website. The last changes left to be made are the site settings. Here you can change the site title, site description, and the language. Click on Save. Below are options to customize the favicon, social preview, and more. The final step is to publish the website. Hit Publish to make the website live. Ignore my error, it's because the contact form isn't connected. But as you can see, we have generated a URL for the website. Open the settings again, head to the Domains tab. Here we can set a custom domain. Framer offers a free subdomain under its name. The website can now be accessible through this URL. To set your own domain, remove the current domain. Click on one of the options below that fits your needs. View plans if needed. Here you can choose a plan for your site. You can get 3 months free of the annual Pro plan when using our Framer partner code PARTNER25PRO yearly. We've now covered the most important areas of the template. You can apply lots of beautiful changes and launch your own site in no time with a template like this. I hope the tutorial was clear enough. If there's anything left you're struggling to understand, do not hesitate to comment or contact us.